Okay, in this video I'm going to talk and discuss about chain rule for integration and solve some related problems. We have problem number 9. What is the integration of x plus 2 quantity dx over all over 2 minus x quantity raised to 1/3? So what I'm going to do here is to assume this 2 minus this one here, 2 minus x, to be our u. U is equal to 2 minus x. So let's get the derivatives of u, or let's differentiate this. We have du is equal to negative dx. Okay, simply our dx is just du over negative 1. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to substitute the value. Let's rewrite this as integration of x plus 2 quantity all over, since we have assumed earlier that this right here 2 minus x was our u. Okay, so u raised to 1/3 multiplied by du over negative 1, since our du over negative 1 is our dx. We have just substituted it to dx. So now what I'm going to do here is, since x plus 2, now I'm going to solve this, since we have assumed that u right here, u is equal to 2 minus x. What I'm going to do is to rewrite this as u minus 2 is equal to negative x, negative x. Okay, now we have x is equal to u minus 2 quantity over negative 1, or we have our x is equal to negative u plus 2. Negative u plus 2. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is to substitute that value into x, since we have x plus 2 here all over u raised to 1/3 multiplied by du over negative 1. So this becomes what is our x? X is just equal to u plus 2 plus 2 all over u raised to 1/3. Okay, times du over negative 1. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is to simplify this further. We get negative 1 right here since we have put it outside this negative 1 right here. So this becomes negative u plus 4. Okay, all over u raised to 1/3. Next, what I'm going to do next is to rewrite this as negative 1 integration of, since they have the same denominator, it is just following the rules of similar fraction. So we have negative u over u raised to 1/3 plus 4 over u raised to 1/3. Okay, I will just erase this one right here. So this okay, du times du. Don't forget to write the du. So now I'll just erase this right here. Okay, so now we have negative what? Negative 1 integration of negative u raised to 2/3. 2/3. Since we have subtracted 1, since we have exponent 1 right here, so we have subtracted it by 1/3, so we get 2/3 plus 4. That's a plus sign. That is not t. Okay, 4 times u raised to negative 1/3. I just rewrite it because for it appears easier. Okay, so times du again. So next what I'm going to do is to integrate this. So we get negative 1 multiplied by negative u raised to 5/3, since we have added exponent 1 right here. Then we divide it by 5/3 or 5/3. Okay, plus 4 times u raised to 2/3 over 2/3 plus c. Don't forget to add the arbitrary c when you're done integrating. So this becomes, let's simplify further. We get negative 1 times negative 3 over 5 u raised to 5/3 plus 6u raised to 2/3 plus, that's a bracket sign, plus C. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is to substitute the value of U, since we are going to review it. What is the real value of our U? Okay. So there it is. Our U is just, let me change that color. Our U is just 2 minus x. There it is. 2 minus x. Okay. Now we are going to substitute 2 minus x to this. So this becomes equals, that is an equal sign, equals 3/5 2 minus x. See, that is the value of our U. Okay. Raised to 5/3. So 5/3 minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 times 2 minus x raised to 2/3 plus C. Plus C. Okay. This is now our final answer. That's our final answer. Okay. Seems hard. Seems hard to write on this. Okay, that is our final answer.